Working with Business Glossary Manager, creating business policies. The agenda. Creating business policies includes managing business policies, viewing or editing business policies, setting up associations for business policies, setting up additional details, adding rich media, adding tasks, configuring task types and managing tasks, viewing workflow logs, and viewing history. Getting started with Business Glossary Manager. Click on the main menu icon to access the Irwin DI modules. Go to Data Literacy. Select Business Glossary Manager and go to Explore. Managing Business Policies. Managing business policies involves viewing mind maps, editing or deleting business policies, viewing history, and sharing links to business policies. Under the Compact View tab, click Edit. In the Grid View tab, use the Options column for a business policy. Use the following options to manage business policies: View Mind Map, Edit Business Policy, Delete Business Policy, View History, and Share Link. Viewing or editing business policies. View business policy details and its properties on the Business Policies tab. On the Business Policy Summary page, click a business policy. Viewing business policies. The View Business Policy tab opens, and here the business policy list. View policy details. View other properties. View or edit the business policy properties, workflow status, governance responsibilities, policy expiry, miscellaneous, etc. Editing business policies. On the View Business Policy tab, click Edit. The policy details. Use this section to edit business policy details such as definition and description. Governance responsibilities. Edit governance responsibilities assignment. It displays roles groups based on the roles and users assigned to a business policy catalog. To edit governance responsibilities, click a role group and add or remove users. Policy expiry. Use this section to edit the lifetime of a business policy. Miscellaneous. Use this section to associate enterprise tags with business policies. Click Tags and select an existing tag or enter a tag name to create one on the fly. Setting up associations for business policies. Associate business policies with business assets, business rules and business terms, and technical assets such as columns. On the Compact View tab, click Associations. The Associations tab opens in edit mode. In the Asset Type, Business Rules, Business Terms, and Columns list, select an asset type to associate with the business policy. Click Plus. Relationship Association page appears. Based on the asset type that you select, it displays a list of available business rules, business terms, and columns. Select the asset type to associate with a business policy. If you know the asset name, use the Search Partial Matches field to look it up. Click Save, and the selected assets are associated with the business policy and added to the list of associations for an asset type. Setting up additional detail. Set up custom additional information about a business policy to add more context. On the Compact View tab, click Edit. The Business Policy page opens in edit mode. Click the Additional Information tab. Additional Information tab opens in edit mode. Add information to the available user-defined fields. We can configure UI labels of these fields through configuring language settings. Click Save, and the information you entered is added to the business policy. Adding rich media. Add supporting artifacts such as text files, audio files, video files, and so on to a business policy. On the Compact View tab, click Edit. The Business Policy page opens in edit mode. Click the Rich Media Library tab. From the Rich Media Library tab, click Plus. Add New Rich Media page appears. Enter appropriate values in the fields. Click Save, and the selected rich media file and its description are added to the business policy. Adding tasks. To collaborate on business assets, you can create tasks depending on your requirements. By default, you can create to-do tasks, access requests, or issues. You can also configure custom task types via the Task Type configurations. On the Compact View tab, click Edit. The Business Policy tab opens in Edit mode. Click the My Action Center tab. The My Action Center page appears. Click plus and the list of task types appear. Create New Task page appears. Enter appropriate values in the fields. Click Save and the task is created and saved. Use the Edit icon to edit the task details and attach relevant documents. Use the Chat tab to send messages to assigned and external users of a task. Adding tasks. Configuring task types. Configure task types to categorize tasks. By default, 3 task types, to-do task, request access, and issue are available. You cannot edit or delete these task types. In the Utilities section, click the Configure icon. The Task Type configuration pane appears. It displays a list of available task types. In the Add New Task Type, enter the new task type, Schedule Job, in the space provided and click plus. The task type Schedule Job is added in the list of available tasks. Use the Edit and Delete icons to manage task types. Managing tasks. Click the Task tile. View task details include task name, description, assigned assets, and attached documents. Edit task details to update the task details. Disable notification to stop receiving notifications related to a task. Download chat as text to download chat related to a task in TXT format. And send chat as email to share the chat related to a task via an email. Viewing workflow logs. View the flow of actions for the workflow assigned to a business policy. Along with other information, the workflow log displays the current state of the business policy in the workflow. On the Compact View tab, click Edit. The Business Policy tab opens in Edit mode. Click the Workflow Log tab. The Workflow Log tab displays only the stages of the workflow and highlights the current stage. Expand or hide users and roles. Users and roles are associated with each workflow stage. Log Summary. Use this pane to view the log of the actions performed. Export the workflow log summary in Excel format. Viewing History. View and track the list of changes for a business policy. On the Compact View tab, click Edit. The Business Policy tab opens in Edit mode. Click the History tab. The History tab opens. View the change history related to a business policy. That's it. For more information, please visit irwin.com.